हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ मुस्कान। आज मैं आपके सामने एक नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने जा रही हूँ जो कि है हमारा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सेकेंड ईयर बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर का एक टॉपिक है एंड इसके ऊपर पूरी एक बुक डिफाइन है। दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक। इफ़ यू स्टडी अबाउट दैट देन यू विल फाइंड द न्यू इन टॉपिक। दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक एंड आज मैं उसी के बारे में ही आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रो दूंगी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के बारे में एंड देन वी विल गेट different equation and different types of equations we will solve about the different method. So now first of all I will tell you about what's the mean of differential equation here. So differential equation define करता है एक रिलेशन को जो कि किसी अननोन फंक्शन के बीच में होती है और एक डेरिवेटिव के बीच में होती है. दैट डेरिवेटिव मे बी one or more derivative. For example, I want to give an example, and this is the example. This is the first derivative of y function with respect to x, and this is the unknown function here. We don't know about what's the value of this. So this total equation is defined as differential equation, and this differential equation define that this is the function of y, and we can say that this is the derivative of y, and this is here unknown function, and but this y function is dependent function here. I want to just sort out this problem because in the next topic we will find out the dependent and independent variables. So I want to just short these terms in this example. So this y function depends on x. That's why we have just done the derivative of y, and this function x, this is the independent function because we cannot find the value directly. Okay, first of all we have to find out the values of x, and then we will put the values of x in this equation, then we can find the values of y. So overall we can say that this y function depends on x function, but x function does not depend on anyone. Okay, so here y function is independent function. Okay, and then sorry this y function is dependent function that depends on x, and this x terms that is independent. Okay, so now move to the next topic, that is type of differential equation. Okay, there are two types of ordinary and partial differential equation. Okay, differential equation के basically two types होते हैं और उन टू टाइप्स को इस तरह से डिवाइड किया गया है कि एक तो है ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एंड सेकंड वन आपके पास में है पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो दीज टू टाइप्स involves to different conditions. So first of all we will discuss about ordinary differential equation. This ordinary differential equation include करती है कि only one independent variable is present here, like this. This is the example of ordinary differential equation. This is the y function that depends on only x term. There is not any other term other than x. There is only one independent variable, and that is here x. Okay, so this ordinary differential equation includes that it involves only one independent variable. Second one is here partial differential equation, and here this partial differential equation involves more than one independent variable, and more than one independent variable is here that we will have in equation two or more than two independent variable, like as in this equation x only one independent variable, but in the below equation we have this equation dy by dx d2y over dt square plus k dy by dt. So here y function depends on two variables, and these two variables are what? One is x and second one is t. So there are two independent variables. First one is x and second one is t. If we will get both values of x and t, then we can find the values of y. If we will not get even one of the independent variable, then we cannot find the values of this y variable. Okay, so now move to the next topic. There we have a different topic, that is order of differential equation. If you are new in the learning, and then if you don't know the order of differential equation, then this basically I want to give complete inform about this order of differential equation to all of you guys. And now basically I will start from the base. What's the base of this order of differential equation, and how will you understand completely, and how will you get the complete inform that you can find the order of differential equation directly by just have a look, and then you can say that this is the order of that differential equation. So in any differential equation, the order of highest derivative, you know what's the meaning of highest derivative? It means how many times you have derivate. And in different language you can say that how many times you have differentiate a function. If you have that y function, okay, y function depend on x. Here we can write that y is a function of x. So if I will differentiate once, then I will get dy by dx like this, and I will differentiate second time, then I will get d2y over dx square. This is the second order, okay, and this is the first order. This is the first order derivative, this is second order derivative, and this is fourth order derivative. It means I have differentiated this function y 4 times. Okay, so this is the highest derivative. We cannot say that this is the highest derivative because this is the power of first order derivative, and that power is here what? 5. So now just conclude the next term, and that is here that the order of this differential equation is what? There is order 4. Understood? If you did not get this point, then you can comment on the below comment sections. I will find out that your problem, and definitely I will solve out that problem. Okay, you do not need to see any other this like terms like e to the power x and sin x, cos x, sin inverse x. If these type of functions are always there, you do not need to see that. Okay, you have to just see the derivative of this y. Just see what's the highest derivative, and just that highest derivative will be the order of differential equation. Now the second term also used in the differential equation, and that is this degree of differential equation. Okay, so degree of differential equation को आप किस तरह से डिफाइन करोगे, उसके लिए भी आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर के बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि ऑर्डर को आप कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं. अगर आपको ऑर्डर को डिफाइन करना आ गया है तो आप डिग्री को डिफाइन करना इजीली आपको आ जाएगा. सो डिग्री ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बेसिकली होता क्या है, उसको आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, उसका भी एक तरीका होता है. So the degree of highest order derivative that occur in a differential equation, this is not D, this is differential equation, short term. Okay, so after the differential equation has been made free from radicals and fractions. So here radicals and fractions are like this, that there is a function of e to the power x, if there is sin x, if there is a fraction in the power of this derivative, and there is a fraction in the power of this derivative, then first of all you have to solve these all fractions. If there is you think that there is a power that is 1 by 2, so first of all you have to solve that power. You have to make that simple real number not to be in the fraction, then you can find out the order, and after that you will find out the degree of differential equation as far as the derivative is concerned. उसका डेरिवेटिव के बारे में आपको फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा कि हाँ ये किस ऑर्डर का डेरिवेटिव है. देन उसके पावर्स को आपको फ्रैक्शन से और रेडिकल से फ्री करके फिर उसको आपको हाईएस्ट जो ऑर्डर का डेरिवेटिव होगा उसकी पावर देखनी है या फिर उसकी डिग्री देखनी है. देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द डिग्री ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. एंड नाउ आई हैव सम एग्जांपल्स to calculate the order and degree of the following differential equations. So I have 2 examples. So first of all I will solve the first example. First of all, write the differential equation again. Y is equals to x into dy over dx plus, this is the a, this is here constant term. Okay, 1 plus dy over dx, this is square, and this half root. So this is the differential equation. You know what's the order of this differential equation. Okay, basically you can find out directly because y function is one time differentiated only, not second time derivative is present here. This is only first time derivative. So directly you can get the order of differential equation, and that order is what? First order. because y function is differentiated once with respect to x. There is also first time derivative, not second time derivative is present here. So directly you can say that this is the first time, one time differentiated. Okay, so order is here 1. Now we have to find out the degree of the differential equation. So to calculate degree of differential equation, first of all we have to make this differential equation free from this fraction. So how will you do that? Put the fractional part in one side and the non-fractional part in the other side. So now I will just put this differential equation in other form, that is like this: y minus x into dy over dx that equals to a 1 plus dy over dx whole square is 1 by 2. This is one term and this is other term. I have put these both terms in left hand side and right hand side. So now I can solve this fractional part. Okay, on squaring both side I can cancel out this fractional part from over this term. So what will I include here? On squaring both sides, y minus x into dy over dx whole square equals to a square 1 plus dy over dx whole square. This is square to square cancel out. So next term is here what? We will just solve this square. Y square plus x square dy over dx square minus 2xy dy over dx equals to a square. Just open this bracket plus a square dy over dx whole square. You know here order is 1, and now you can find out the degree of this differential equation and how this derivative and this derivative both are same. So you can just put this both in one side: x square minus a square dy over dx whole square minus 2xy dy over dx plus y square minus a square equals to 0. So here, did you get the point that how will you calculate the degree of differential equation? And directly from this equation you can directly say that this what's the degree of this differential equation. But I want to just resolve this part to you that you can understand easily what's the degree of this differential equation. So x square minus a square dy over dx whole square, this is the first order differential equation, and the highest power, highest degree of highest derivative. Which one is the highest derivative? This both are same, but which derivative has the highest power? So now this differentiated with respect to x, and this function is also differentiated with respect to x. So the highest degree, this function derivative has 1, this has 2. So the highest derivative has highest degree. तो जिस डेरिवेटिव के पास में हाईएस्ट डिग्री होगी तो वही जो उसकी जो पावर होगी, हाईएस्ट पावर, दैट पावर विल बी डिग्री. So here you get what will be the degree of this differential equation, and the degree will be 2. Okay, this is also first order derivative, this is also first order derivative, and the highest power in between these two derivatives is 2. So this is the degree, and we have calculated first that what's the order is 1. So now, like this differential equation, you have to solve out this differential equation and give the answer in comment section. And thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you like my video, and please subscribe my channel.